how to change the incoming call ringtone sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we go down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. Next, go down to the Ringtone and Keypad Tones section. Then tap on Ringtone. From the list of available ringtones, you can select a sound that you would like to use. Okay, so that's it. Select a sound that you would like to use. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.